This is how much people are making on this app by just working and promoting this app. On today's video, I want to show you how to make money by just working, right? So if you use this app, you work, it will count your steps. Then after it count your steps, then it will convert those steps, right? Then after that, you can just withdraw, right? Like you work and get paid. Easy as that, guys. So I don't want to waste much of your time. But before I start, right? Before I start, guys, if you need free airtime right now, watch this video at the corner and you will see on how to get free airtime. But before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. So guys, the name of the app is sweatcoin, right? The name of the app is sweatcoin. I'll leave a link, right? The first link in the description, right? Even on the comment section, I will pin it, right? I will pin it. Click on that link, then get this app, right? After you get this app, you register. It's so easy to register. Then after that, then start like just keep this app running in background, so every time when you work it will count your steps. So you can see there, so far today I have 750 steps, right guys? So these are some of other things that you can use, right? Like this one, right? For 20 minutes, right? So it will double your steps, right? It will double your steps. Even here on daily rewards, you just have to press there. So let me show you, right? You press there.
Are you having one of these thoughts? I can't invest yet because
you can see now I'm done. Right now I'm done. You just play an ad. After you play that ad, then you will get some free steps, right? So as you can see here, right, the balance right there, right? The balance right there. So I got about like a 0.6 sweat coins. So guys, this is how to get more points. So the main thing that you must do to get money is you have to invite people, right? So you can see here, right? After you register, then you'll come here, right? Press the on get 5, right? Get 5 now, right? So after get 5 now, you will get a kind of like link, then you share that link. So as you can see, these people right here, right? This is the influencer competition, right? So even here in the top you can see influencer program, right? You can just tap there and start promoting. It will take you to this page, but you will only be able to see this page after you refer about like 20 people. Then it will unlock this. Then after that, you'll be able to see this rewards. So I have to invite like 29 people, right, to get this $25, 289 to get 100. You can see, right? You can see even up to $100,000, right guys? This is all on how to make money, right guys? Just this app, go to Facebook, share this app, share it with your family, your friends, share with everyone, post it anywhere you can. So if you get enough people, then you'll be able to withdraw money on this app, right? On this app, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't understand anything, please comment down below and let me know, and I will help you guys, and I will help you guys, and I will help you guys. So as I said, if you need free airtime, watch this video. We'll see you on how to get free airtime right now. Peace.